Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is on structured streaming. Spark structured streaming. So if your input is streaming data, then how to read that stream by using this readStream option in PySpark, then how to write stream based on our file source. So file source here in this video, we are going to discuss about source is file. So source is file means we have some CSV files, JSON, Parquet, ORC, and AVRO. So we'll see for different file formats how to read and write structured streaming data. So first we'll see with CSV data type. And my CSV data is like this. And I have these many columns. Okay, so and for showing streaming purpose, I created input source files in this all these formats, and each format have some couple of CSV files to show the how streaming will happen. So first, what we'll do is first we'll create folder in DBFS. So how structure I'm creating in file store tables. So I'm creating one folder, streaming folder, and under this I'm creating three folders. So one is stream checkpoint, stream read stream, stream write stream. So currently I'm creating these folders, but currently I'm not using. In next video, I will explain about this checkpoint. So first one is read stream. So all our input source files will be going to in this folder. So under stream read stream, I created again 5 folders. So one is for CSV format, JSON, Parquet, ORC. So similar way for writing stream, I'm created 5 folders. If I try to run this one, you will get true once folders got created. And if you go and observe here, under files, tables, if you click on tables once again, files, tables, see here, folder is created, streaming, and these 3 subfolders. And each subfolder, we have again 5 folders. See, since I am not uploaded any data yet, so now these are all empty folders. And similar way, readStream also. We have 5 folders and currently we don't have any files here. Similar way, writeStream also we have 5 folders. So from source, if I upload files, then you can see files under this. After processing, all the target files will store here. So first what we'll do, we'll try to upload uh, source files under this. So first we'll go to notebook. So what we'll do is, initially I'm created these folders. So if you want to remove these folders later, you can use this syntax. Okay. So first what I'm doing, I'm defining schema for input CSV file. So first we are doing for CSV format. So this is our CSV file and we have these columns. So these 3 we have string type and 2 columns we have date. One is a date, one is long. And same thing I defined here. So string, 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 and string, and last one is integer. So you can define it either integer or long type. So effective date, I mentioned string type. You can consider this one as date also, no problem. So I defined schema here for CSV file. So next what I'm doing, I'm reading the CSV file. So here small difference. If you see, this is read stream and read stream is for reading the streaming data. And for normally for general purpose, for reading CSV file, what we'll do, spark.read.format. So difference here is read and readStream. If you are working for regular CSV files, we'll use read. For if you want to read for structured data, we'll use readStream. So that is the difference. So remaining header equal to true command, format CSV is common, schema defined here, schema CSV that also common, and dot CSV, this path. Okay. So this path is whatever I created folder no stream underscore restream and CSV. That is this one restream and restream CSV. So currently we don't have any files here. So that is this path. So if you try to upload any path no, see it will pick from that path. First what it does is it um, print schema, then it will display our data like this. So first what I will do, I'll try to clean up this and we'll try to run from start. So first what I will do, we already created folders. First I'll define schema, and what I will do, I'll try to first read. See, currently we don't have any input file, source file here. So without source file, we'll try to run this one. See, as soon as we run, see printing schema initially, see here, stream initializing. So as soon as this coming, no display query, you click on this, then immediately go to this raw. If you see here, see batch duration, batch ID, and number input rows. See, currently it's showing 0 because we don't have any source file here. And see, it will continuously run. Since this is streaming data, no, it will continuously runs. See, our batch ID is 0 and batch duration, see it changing. Okay, but our input rows is 0. Why? Because we don't have source file. So now what we'll do, we'll upload one source file. Where we'll upload? We created one folder now. So I'll try to select here streaming and a streaming readStream CSV. So here I am trying to upload. Okay, so I will click and I will select my input file. So CSV, first one I will add. So then immediately go here and observe here. See, this number of input rows will change. See, now initially our data frame is empty. See, columns are showing, but we don't have. See here, 49. So we have 49 input rows. So as soon as after some time, see it will become 0, then it will become 1. See, now so as soon as it changes to 0 and it become 1, see our first batch data is coming. See here. So whatever we have CSV for data now, it printing here. Next, this is first CSV data. So but still it is running now. So next what I will do, I will try to upload one more file. I will select second one, then immediately come here and observe here. See now input rows will come here. See 49. See here, data will get added here. See, this is second one. Since our CSV file has some issue, like few null rows it taking. See, up to 49, this is related to first CSV. From 50 onwards, this is second CSV. And if you observe this job, this match ID 2, that means we uploaded second CSV now. So that processed now. So now it becomes 0 now. Once data is processed here, it becomes 0. Now what we'll do, I'll come to ending 98 no now. So now what I will do, I'll try to upload one more CSV and immediately I'll come here, and if you see here, it will update this. See 49 now. Then see once 49 it processed here, it updates, then immediately it changes to batch 3. See, it become 0, it become 3. Now if you observe here, see from 99 onwards it updated. So earlier it was 98 now, from 98 onwards. Okay, so my CSV file has some issue, that's why it coming some null rows. Okay, so next what I will do, now batch 3, no, I will try to upload one more file, one more CSV file, this last one, and immediately come here. See here, it will update again. Number of input was 50. And once it processed here, it will become 4. Batch ID become 4. See, batch 4 and this is 0 and Spark job got updated now. Now, if you see here, see our last CSV file got updated here. Since this CSV file, we don't have nulls, directly printed. And one more thing, all CSV files no should have same columns and same data type. Then only it will work. Okay, so this now reading stream, we observed how it runs. See, but still it is running. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll try to write whatever we read no CSV data, we'll try to write in target. So we have two options. One is format is console, writeStream. So in regular also we'll use no write dot format. So for streaming data we'll use writeStream and dot format. So normally we'll use delta or Parquet. So here we'll use console. Console means it will save here locally. And the second option is format is Parquet. This Parquet means it will save in delta folder, a delta lake. So this is for knowledge purpose. I'm telling this console, but real time we don't use this console. We'll use either Parquet or delta. So what I'll do, I'll try to run this. Is not defined. So whatever we defined here, stream CSV, this same data, this one, no, this same data we are trying to write here. See, it will started to writing. So here we'll get status. Yeah, so it running, no, if you expand this and if you go to raw data, see here, our first batch got completed and it displaying data here. Okay. So next we'll see how to write in Parquet format. So here my path is writeStream and format is Parquet and output mode is append. So that means, so it will append the data. So first time it will write. So whenever you run next time, no, it will append the data. So you can write it here different methods, either append, update. Okay, so depends on the requirement. You can change this output mode. And my path is this one. So this folder I created, no, streaming writeStream. So in this folder, I want to write the file. So and checkpoint location. Checkpoint location is this one. So I created no streaming stream checkpoint. This checkpoint location is similar to like our Spark concepts, no, like cache and persist. So this is similar like option. So that means if operation in between got failed or hanged, then your backup will be there in this checkpoint location folder. So this about this in depth we'll discuss in another video. So if you try to run this one, see stream got initialized, and yeah, click on this display and go to raw. See total 197 rows got written, and this is our output table. So now if you go to our folder, write folder, writeStream, and this is CSV file, no? Okay, so I did mistake to there mention CSV file. So I mentioned up to only here, writeStream, where here. Here I supposed to write CSV. So that's why these Parquet files printing outside. Okay, so now uh, I will try to interrupt, and I will try to rerun. And if you see under CSV, see Spark metadata got created. So we'll try to upload, since already data is printed here now. So now data is not there to create a file. So what I'll do, I'll try to add some file, then it will generate here. See now new job is coming now. So now this batch ID will get changed. C2. Now if you observe here, see Parquet got created. So similar way, I will try to upload one more CSV. See, this will get update now, 49, and now it will change to 3. Batch ID will get changed to 3. Yeah, now if you refresh this one more time, okay, one more Parquet file got added. So like this, if you try to add files here, then it will try to write that particular Parquet file, that relevant data. Okay, so now finally we'll try to verify. So now we have two Parquet files here. So what I'm doing under writeStream, here I will mention CSV. Under this folder, no, so we have two Parquet files. Now to verification purpose, no, so we'll try to review this. So all Parquet files, it will get a display here. So you can cross verify this with your CSV file. So how many rows we have in each CSV, and you can cross verify here. So this is about how to read CSV file. Next, we'll jump on to other data source. Before that, I will try to interrupt this. Okay, so next we'll jump on to other source. Next we have JSON. See, all are this method, everything same. Only format will get changed. Okay, so we already created this folder. This code is similar, and see, according to our JSON file, I created schema. Okay, this is the only change. You will find difference here. So next, what I will do, same thing, readStream. Here only format will get changed, JSON format, and this schema I changed as per JSON file. And if you see input JSON, if you try to open this, okay, this is our JSON. Okay, we have columns like source, description, input timestamp, last underscore timestamp. Okay, so those things I mentioned here. And if I try to path I given stream, readStream, and JSON. So JSON folder I created now here. This one. This is writeStream. So I will come back and go to readStream and I will go to JSON. So currently we don't have any folders here, files. First I will try to run this one without input file. See, based on this schema columns, it will print schema, and if you observe here, initial batch 00, and this data frame got created but don't have data. And if we try to upload, so now I'm changing the path CSV to JSON. I'm changing to JSON, and I will try to upload files now, JSON files. Streaming JSON. First I will upload one JSON file. And if you see here, this will get update, see 93. And once data is printed here, it will become 0. And this 0 become 1. Okay. Okay, I think our data is something different. That's why you are getting nulls. And as soon as if you try to write this data in Parquet format, and I mentioned our writing path is this one, stream underscore writeStream and JSON. So if I try to run this one, see this checkpoint path I mentioned here under stream underscore checkpoint JSON. And if you see here, and if you go to display raw data, see 93 got written and 1. And if you go and observe here under writeStream, if you go to writeStream and JSON, you'll find one Parquet file. Next, I will try to upload one more JSON file, and you can observe here, see 132. Once it added here, it will become 2. Batch ID become 2. Okay, so parallelly, you can see here also. See this batch ID, it is already completed. Second one already completed. And you can observe here, if you refresh this one, JSON, you'll find one more Parquet file. So like this, if you add one more JSON, then it will process here. In first, it will process in readStream, and you can see difference here based on this batch ID and number of rows. As soon as it readStream completes, immediately you can observe in writeStream, batch ID will get changed to 3, and your output rows will get added here. So at the same time, you can go to your right path and you can observe this Parquet file. Okay, so similar way, so you can check verify also. Okay, under stream, writeStream, JSON star Parquet. So you can click, since we have all nulls now, it will come nulls. Okay, so this is about JSON, JSON format. Next, we'll see other format. Next, we have Parquet format. and I will come to Parquet input. And what I will do is in Parquet, these are all same, similar thing. So according to Parquet format, I return this schema. Okay, so I will try to run this schema. And if you observe, compared to JSON and Parquet, see our input is nested JSON file. So in JSON, we define like nested JSON, but in Parquet, no, it is enough to define like this. So you can check the comparison. So I will add these files in my GitHub location. You can check this one. And if you try to run this one, see here difference is only Parquet format, and this path is different. And if you observe this display and run, see initially we don't have files, no, it is 0, 0. See table is created, but we don't have data. Now what I will do, I will try to upload. First I will change to Parquet. Next I will try to add Parquet file. If you come here, see this number input rows will get changed 7, and once it processed here, this batch ID will update to 1. See, data is updated and this become 1. And next to come to your write stream, and you click on this. See, only will change this format. Okay, Parquet. If you click on this, go to raw. See here, input rows 7. Once it prints here, this batch ID become 1. See here, data is printed and it become 1. And if you observe here under Parquet, you will find one Parquet file, output file. So similarly, I will try to upload one more file, and you can observe in readStream. See 7. Once data printed, it will become 0. This become 2. Okay, this updated. Next, we'll go to writeStream. See here, your data is already updated. Okay, and if you come here and if you try to refresh, you'll find one more Parquet. So like this, you can upload as many Parquet files you want. Okay, and if you want to verify, this code is same, only format will change. You try to display this. See, this is whatever here now files. These two Parquet files, that whole data is displaying here. Okay, this is about Parquet. So next we'll see one more format, ORC. We'll change the data to ORC, and parallelly we'll remove this one and we'll change to ORC. And here also I'll click on ORC, and see up to here this code is same, and schema I defined for ORC. So this is a schema also similar to Parquet format, and I will try to read here. So here difference is ORC, format is different and folder is different. And if you observe here display, since we don't have any files, this 0. Now I will try to upload one folder. I'll go to ORC, and if you come here, see initially empty data frame, Now 7 data is there, 7 rows. It will update here now, and it will become 0. This become 1. Okay, this become 0 and this become 1. And if you come to writeStream, so here difference is format is different, checkpoint location is different, ORC. Okay, these things. And if you observe here, raw data, so initially that 7 data it is writing here. Once it completes, it becomes 0, this become 1. This data got printed. And parallelly, if you see here in output, one Parquet file will get added. Okay, so now I'll try to add one more Parquet ORC file. And if you come to readStream, see here 7, and that once it updates here, it becomes 0, this become 2. Okay, and if you see total, you'll find 14. So first 7 rows, second 7 rows, total 14 rows. And here also see it already processed. And if you see output, total 14 rows, 7 plus 7. And if you see here, if you refresh this oversee, you will find 2 Parquet files. So like this, you can add as many ORC files you want. And if you want to display these Parquet files, so syntax is same, only difference is format. Since our output format always Parquet, this will be same Parquet. But only you need to change is folder location, stream underscore writeStream ORC. See here you will find total 14 files, 2 files. If you try to add one more file, then 7 more rows, then in this output will become 21. Next, what we'll do, we'll try to show AVRO formats. If I go to my input files, AVRO, and first what I will do, I will change here this folder location ORC to AVRO, and here also I will go to AVRO. So initially 0 files. I will remove this. First I'll try with empty file. So these two is common, and okay, so this is schema for our file. See, this schema is common for ORC, AVRO, and Parquet. So only difference is, I think, for JSON. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll try to read this one. So here format is changing, folder location is changing. Only that is the difference. And if you go to raw, see initially empty data frame. Okay, so now we'll try to add some files here. I will add first file. Now see number input rows. Okay, I think some schema mismatch is there. That's why it is not printing. I will try to remove and add some other file. Okay, I think there is some format error is there. It telling that multi-line nested SQL state. error while reading the file. Okay, so I think there is some format issue is there. That's why it not displaying. So otherwise, process is same. So only difference is format uh, and schema. And similar way, if you see in write stream, this we need to change. Parquet is same because we are writing. No, in writing, Parquet is same. So only will change is this location to AVRO, and this reading output file also same. Only changing the folder. This Parquet because in AVRO, as soon as for each file upload, no, we'll get output Parquet file will get added. So this AVRO format, I will try to rectify source file, and I will try to show up in upcoming video. Okay, so if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.